Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a soft highlight sweep using gradients in Photoshop. I add a gradient layer above my design and rotate it diagonally. Quiet focus. I reduce opacity until it barely whispers light. I stretch the word sweep slowly. Movement matters. I mask unwanted areas carefully. Then I pause completely. This silence lets the eye judge realism. I adjust blend mode to overlay and fine-tune brightness. Suddenly, the design feels dynamic. This subtle sweep adds life without noise. That's the emotional power of gradients. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and let your creativity speak louder every day.